My name is Larry, and today we're going to do a demonstration on how to work the Plasser track stabilizer, the PTS-90C. In the previous video we had set the PTS-90C up for work, so this machine is ready to work. First you want to raise the RPMs to 2000. Release the parking brake. Select forward with the direction switch. Depress the index start push button and the machine will start to move. You can change the index speed on the work screen if need be. When you reach the section of track that needs to be stabilized, press the vibration push button on the B52 panel. The light will then illuminate. Next, use the vibration potentiometer on the B52 panel to adjust the frequency to a range of 30 to 35 Hz. You can monitor the frequency on the work screen. Additionally, you want to monitor the track cross level with the front and rear pendulums. Once you are done stabilizing, you can return the vibration potentiometer to 0 and depress the vibration on push button to turn the stabilizer off. The light will now go off. Depress the index start push button to stop the machine. Now let me explain some key features for operation. The work screen is used during the operation of the PTS-90C to monitor the work functions and to input settings for the operation. Vibration section. Vibration displays the amount of servo current input from the vibration potentiometer on the B52 panel. Frequency displays the speed in hertz at which the stabilizer units are spinning. Engine and pressure section. Engine speed displays the current RPM. Drive pressure displays the pressure in the hydraulic drive system. This pressure will vary according to the drive setting and the grade. Vibration pressure displays the pressure on the vibration supply line to the motor. System pressure displays the overall pressure for the work system. Hydraulic temperature displays the temperature of the hydraulic oil. Clamps open automatic. Selecting this function will turn the switch green and activate the rail clamp automatic opening system. This system will open the rail clamp rollers as each one comes to a bond wire on the head of the rail. It operates using the limit switches that are mounted to each stabilizer unit. Pendulum section. The pendulum section allows the operator to monitor the cross level before and after stabilization. Index speed. Depressing this button displays a keypad for inputting the work speed settings of the PTS-90C during work operations. This input is in milliamps. Lowering section. This section enables the operator to adjust the down pressure on the vibration units by adjusting the lowering values. The displayable values for the vibration units are in inches. Down pressure is displayed in PSI and the current milliamps required by the proportional valves. The down pressure has a range of 35 to 45 bars or approximately 450 to 600 PSI. For the most common permanent way conditions, a frequency ranging within 30 to 35 Hz has proven to be most favorable. In exceptional cases, it can be set lower or higher. Machine work speed can range from 0.5 to 1.2 m.b.H. We will talk about the troubleshooting and maintenance in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.